video, I will show you how to disable or enable YouTube restricted mode. So first, head over to YouTube, search YouTube on the address bar, click enter, and then click on YouTube. Now, to disable or enable YouTube restricted mode, you must have you must have been logged into your YouTube account or Gmail account on your YouTube. So that you just have to click on your profile icon on the top right, and here you can see a bunch of settings. Among these settings, there it is, restricted mode. Click on this, and where it says activate restricted mode, just disable it by clicking on this button, and there you go. You have disabled the restricted mode on your YouTube app. Now to enable it, you just have to do the same. Click on your profile icon, go to restricted mode, and again turn it on. There you go. Your restricted mode has been turned on again. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.